Hey guys, today we are making American Fettuccine Alfredo, not to be confused with the traditional Italian version, which a lot of Italians, I believe, call al burro, butter and cheese. We are not doing that today. We are doing the American version. We've been doing it since the 1920s this way in America. This is how I used to make it in the restaurants in the early 90s, and I still make it this way because it's creamy glory, and I love it this way. You can use one of your little hand crushers if you like. I don't do that. I'm a chef. I like my old habits. I always do it by hand. This is just really just a little garnish at the end. I like to take out a lot of these. You don't want these chunky stalks in there. Roll it up into a nice tight little ball like that. So much easier and manageable. I like to put it in a little piece of paper towel like this. Take any chances of that green leaching into our sauce. And of course we got the good stuff here. Parmigiano Reggiano. We're gonna give it a quick shred. I'm not gonna go too crazy with the cheese since we do have some other components compared to the al burro Italian version. Okay, we got our hot pan going here. Just gonna do a little butter. We got our fresh chopped garlic. Ooh, smells amazing already. So we don't want any color in that garlic either because we're doing a white cream sauce. We don't want to get any of that brown into our sauce. We just want to give it a quick sweat. Let the flavors really come out. You can really smell it right now. And we got some white wine. Usually I like to use Chardonnays most of the time. Today I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc. That's what I had. I like to use these little ones. I'm more of a red wine drinker. I don't really keep whole bottles of white wine around. We're just gonna let that reduce down, intensify the flavors. Nicely salted water. Let that come up to a boil. Smelling amazing. Garlic and wine. Woo. Keep the sides nice and clean. See, it's reduced down. Got that beautiful intensified flavors in there. And I browned my garlic, so we already screwed that up a little. And you can see I already got some of the brown in there that we don't want, but that's fine. We still got all the flavor. It's just not as perfect as I was hoping. So once we got it reduced down there, now we can add our cream. And we're gonna let this reduce, thicken up. Now we're at this stage, you can really see all that brown that we got from the garlic at the beginning that we really didn't want. But it'll blend in. We should be all right, it's not too bad. While this is simmering down, we're gonna get our pasta going, which we're looking for. Nice and thick. I'm gonna get our cheese in here now. Slowly stir it in there. Want to keep the heat down a little low. We got our pasta here. Kind of al dente, maybe just before al dente. I did save a little pasta water here. I want to make sure, just in case your sauce is a little too thick, you want it a little thinner, you want to use the pasta water to thin it out, control your consistency. That looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the consistency there. I'm going to leave it right there. I think we'll plate this up. Lemon zest. This goes amazing with that cream and the garlic. California, we like our little citrus notes and what stuff we do. Just to give it a little extra kiss in there. Of course, a little cracked black pepper, doesn't hurt. Forget about our glorious mushrooms. And just a little parsley. Oh guys, what do you think? American Alfredo in all its glory. A little extra garnish for a little color. Woo. And it's just straight comfort food right there.